is there any reason we cannot ask the loan officer what their DTI is? You want to make sure that when you're going to open a dialogue with their loan officer or their attorney, you ask one very simple question. Do you give me permission to ask these questions on your behalf? Because on our side, we're going to train our borrower with the same question. Do you give me permission to share your qualifications with your realtor? If they say yes to me and they say yes to you, you can certainly ask. And that's what you want. You want an open, transparent dialogue between your borrower and your loan officer and their attorney and you. So it's very important to ask the question, but before you ask it, ask permission. Okay. What are you doing when you ask a customer for permission? Oh, who said that? So, you got to catch it, bro. You got to have good hands, man. That was a great toss. All right, $5 coffee for this guy. Right, you're empowering them. You're saying, do you give me permission? Right, in sales, it's really the balance of leading the ship and sort of like being the quarterback. But the customer must feel like the coach. They must feel like they're calling the plays. But there is a time when Tom Brady was like, hold on, Bill, I'm going to run this one. Because there is like an exchange of authority. So it's okay to ask permission to your client. You're empowering them, saying, I'm only taking your lead. I'm here to serve you. Service is the most wonderful way to build a fandom. Serve your customer. Serve the people around you, and you will grow an incredible team and an incredible book of business. Serve them, and just ask them for permission. And they'll give it to you, because they want to see the deal done, right? Because they'll say, well, why do you need that permission? I don't want to share my information with anybody. Because it'll get your deal done.
Home Buyer Learning Center. Everyone gets a house.